Always tracking, always watching, always alerting. Here's Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart with your first warning Doppler forecast.
Good evening, Tri-State, and welcome back to News 25 at 10. My first warning focus remains on this relief that we have gotten to enjoy over the past couple of days, but especially today with the pleasantly low humidity levels. Dew points in the 50s doesn't happen all that often around here during the summertime. And because of the dry air, it's going to likely go to its coolest level so far since May. I'm forecasting an overnight low of 58 degrees, and the last time we felt a temperature that cool officially in Evansville was back in the latter part of the month of May. Now, even though it's going to get a little more humid over the weekend, we're still not looking at anything in terms of hot and humid weather until at the earliest late next weekend. Yeah, still some showers and thunderstorms for Saturday. The new data coming in a little more scattered with the activity, so I still think you'll be able to get outside at times on Saturday, and Sunday certainly should be a cooler and brighter day, and that would be the better bet if you do have some outdoor plans. But you should have been outdoor this evening, no doubt about it. It feels nice because here at 10 o'clock we're already down to 68 degrees, courtesy of that dew point, which is still in the upper 50s. There's no wind out there, and tri-state temperatures are cooling all around. It's matter of fact, already 64 at Mount Carmel and in Lagodia, 64 also there on the outskirts of Henderson. Still 74 in Owensboro, 70 in Fairfield, and Madisonville checking in at about 71. So again, I think we'll wind up somewhere between 55 and 60 degrees by daybreak tomorrow morning. Let's track the humidity for you. We've been seeing nothing but green and red on this graphic for most of the summer, the muggy and steamy air, but now shades of yellow coming in. That's that pleasant air. Dew points in the 50s, and I think we're going to have this one more day before we get a quick shot of muggy air coming in ahead of the cold front that will move through late on Saturday, and behind the front, once again, the humidity will be dropping. First warning storm tracker is showing a few clouds out there today, mainly along and south of the Ohio River. They didn't amount to all that much, and now they're in the process of clearing out, which is good news. I think tonight will be our best chance to see the Perseid meteor shower, especially after midnight in the eastern sky. It's going to be peaking tomorrow night, but I think by late tomorrow night we're going to be dealing with some cloud cover, and I'll show you here on Future Tracker how the weekend is going to play out. We'll start off at 10:30 this evening. Skies clearing overnight. We wake up to temperatures in the upper 50s at 6 a.m. and another beautiful day tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, maybe some spotty clouds in the afternoon, but a high again in the mid-80s. And if you're traveling down to the lakes later tomorrow, should be quiet there. Everything should be fine unless you're heading to St. Louis, maybe just a few scattered showers out there. And that's the activity that will eventually work into the tri-state after midnight tomorrow night. But even here at daybreak Saturday, a few scattered showers and thunder showers around. But as the sun comes out and he begins to heat up, we'll quickly see the scattered showers and thunderstorms blossom across the area. So our better chance of rain may be in the middle of the day, because the new data actually pushing this activity off to our southeast by later in the afternoon. And if that happens, after 3 or 4 o'clock, it may not be all that bad out there. And then behind the front, we get the cooler air and some wraparound moisture that by daybreak on Sunday may be sending a few more clouds in that may produce a spotty shower or two, mainly in our eastern counties on Sunday. So overnight, clear, mild, cool, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be nice for this time of the year. 55 to 60 for the low, and the sun will be up at 6:02. For tomorrow, a lot like today. Plenty of sunshine, a few clouds in the afternoon, and another pleasant high in the middle 80s with an east-southeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. The clouds increase tomorrow night, a few scattered showers coming in after midnight. Then Saturday, clouds with some sun. Breezy, humid, with showers and thunderstorms, but not an all-day rain. They'll come through in a few waves, and they should be diminishing Saturday night. And on Sunday, we'll see some clearing, really a mix of sun and clouds. Breezy, cooler, and nothing more than a few spotty showers, mainly in our eastern counties. So all in all, not a terrible weekend, especially since we need the rain. But again, Saturday does not look like a washout. And then it's kind of dry for most of next week. A pleasant start through Monday and Tuesday. And then we're finally back to some more typical hot, humid weather, which you got to expect in August by next Thursday. But that's still another week away. So this is a nice long break from all that hot, steamy weather that we have sweated through really for most of the month of July.
We'll take late September weather this time of year.
Yeah, I think we're all ready for that. Yeah.
All right. Thanks a lot, Wayne.